Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to password protect a USB drive for free in Windows. See, I have a USB drive, I want to lock it. How to lock USB drive. Go to your browser and go this link. Click download. Select Windows. Copy the exe file. Paste the exe file in USB drive. Run the exe file as administrator. Set a password for lock the USB drive. See USB drive locked successfully. Double-click to unlock the USB drive. Enter the password you set before. See the USB drive unlock successfully. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.